Those were the main headlines that came out of the Ministry of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change in 2015. Time now to get some details.
This administration realizes that water is a very empowering resource and that its impact on sustainable development, particularly in our rural communities, is without parallel.
In 2015, upgrading works was carried out on the Martha Brae treatment plant in Trelawney. A new $460 million water supply system served 6,000 residents in the Euroton and Mount Russell communities of St. Catherine. 8 kilometers of pipeline were laid for the Clarkstown Water Supply Pipeline Replacement Project. The Bogue Water Treatment Plant in northeast St. Ann was refurbished. A $3.9 million project was launched to protect the Yallas and Hope River watersheds. Work was completed on the Gutters Retirement Water Supply System in St. James at a cost of $26.3 million. And the National Water Commission signed a contract valued at $7.23 million to buy 50,000 solid-state water meters for the Kingston metropolitan area. An intense dry period also affected the island during the year, leading to scheduled water lock-offs for some NWC customers. But they got a break when the company instituted an amnesty, allowing them to clear up billions of dollars in arrears on their water bills. The National Land Agency issues more than 7,000 land titles between January and October 2015. 1,103 new lands registered between March and October. And there's more. In May, the government signed a memorandum of understanding with bauxite company Jamalco to provide land titles to over 1,500 persons on the company's resettlement program.
Resolving tenure issues affecting lands that Jamalco has acquired from landowners as far back as in the 1970s.
The National Land Agency received an $8.3 million state-of-the-art printing system to print maps, plans, and other large format documents for its customers. And a policy framework and procedures manual for the divestment of government-owned lands was launched. 2015 also delivered important environment and climate change headlines. Jamaica successfully phased out the use of a key ozone-depleting substance, hydrochlorofluorocarbon, in the foam manufacturing industry in 2015. The Jamaica Invasive Species Database was launched, making it the first comprehensive portal of its kind in the island. A $278.8 million deal was signed with American technology firm Environmental Systems Research Institute to provide ministries, departments, and agencies with unlimited access to the entity's suite of technology software. $5 million was provided to clean up and dispose of the sargassum seaweed negatively affecting Jamaican beaches and coastlines. The National Environment and Planning Agency entered into deals to protect the country's rich biodiversity and encourage environmental journalism. 3 locations were established as points of collection for electronic waste, e-waste. And 55 residents were trained and certified as environmental wardens under the Jamaica Social Investment Fund's Integrated Community Development Project. The Inter-American Development Bank's Climate Investment Fund gave the ministry $2 billion to mainstream climate change across the government. The IDB provided another $18 million to strengthen Jamaica's resilience to climate change. The country also received assistance funding from the Japanese government and a regional climate change resilience project. And ahead of the 2015 COP21 Paris Climate Change Conference of Parties held in December, the ministry hosted public consultations across the island to raise awareness among all Jamaicans. So those were the major stories coming out of the Ministry of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change for 2015. By all accounts, it was a busy and productive year.